So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to short sell SBI Life in the market level now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So short sold around 1292. So guys, welcome to today's live intraday trading. So today we are trading on SBI Life. So right now short sold at 1292. As you guys can see, the market is 1% down. Okay, so the market looks very bearish today. So that's the reason why I took a sell entry. So actually I was hoping that the stock can go up and give a buy entry, but you know the market was pushing down. It was 0.70% down when the market opened, and now it pushed down to almost 1% down. Okay, so that's why I decided to go short selling on SPR Life now. So hoping to get like 5 to 6 points target here. So let's see how the stock will perform. So we are in the sell side of SPR Life. Okay, so guys, yes, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance and live market update from me, you can join us now. So I'll be telling you the live market update also. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, once you join my course, you will be able to make consistent profit in intraday trading. So I'll teach you the exact needed skill to make consistent profit in intraday trading, like no indicators, unique strategies. Okay, so the goal of our course is to make you as a profitable trader. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support, and the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, to provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to trading. If you guys can see, the stock is still trading around 1290. The lowest what it has made right now is 1288. So let's wait for the stock to come down. So I'll tell you the reason why I took a short sell entry, because if it was going above 1297 somewhere around there, it was in very good buy entry. If it was going and touching 1300 and it was going above that, but it didn't touch there and it didn't go above that, and the markets also started to come down. So that's why I decided to go short selling here. Okay, so let's see. And also the main support, which was around 1290, is given a breakout again. So you can see from there it's not going much up. Okay, so that's why we are holding the short sell position. So let's see how it will perform. Okay, So guys, as this is the end of a day chart of SBI Life. If you guys can see the stock medal of 1271. Okay, so I just booked almost like 6 to 6.5 points and I took my exit. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of SBI Life. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.